In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust voice speed in ElevenLabs text-to-speech. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to fine-tune the pace so your narration sounds just right for your project. First, open your web browser and head over to the ElevenLabs website. Give the page a moment to load so all the tools on the dashboard appear properly. This is where everything you need will be accessible. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and choose Text-to-Speech. This takes you to the main workspace where you can craft your audio. Front and center, you'll see an area to enter your script. Above or beside it, you'll find a list of available voices. Take a moment to select a voice that suits your content's tone, whether you want something conversational, authoritative, or friendly. Picking the right voice up front makes the speed adjustments more meaningful, because different voices can feel faster or slower even at the same setting. Now, type or paste your text into the editor. Keep your sentences clean and punctuated. Commas and periods help the voice pause naturally, which becomes especially important when you change the speed. If you're not sure where to start, try a short paragraph first so you can quickly hear how changes affect the delivery. Next, look to the panel on the right side of the screen. Find the control labeled Speed. This is the slider that governs how quickly the voice reads your text. Dragging it to the right will speed up the narration. Moving it to the left will slow it down. Subtle adjustments often work best. A slight increase can add energy to an upbeat segment, while a small decrease can make complex explanations easier to follow. Keep in mind that pushing the speed too high can make the audio sound rushed and harder to understand, and slowing it too much can feel monotonous. Aim for a pace that matches the purpose of your content. Snappier for announcements, steadier for tutorials, or detailed instructions. That's all you need to do. You've navigated to the text-to-speech tool, chosen a voice, entered your text, and used the speed control to fine-tune the delivery. Take a moment to listen and tweak as needed until it feels natural and engaging. With just these adjustments, you can tailor your narration to fit any style, from quick updates to thoughtful educational content. You're done and ready to put your improved voiceover to work.